What's up, guys? It's Max with Another One Roof. I wanted to show y'all something on a little roof tear off we're doing today. It's 1:45 in the afternoon. Normally we would have our tear off done, early in the morning, but we've got five layers of underlayment on this roof. So each of these squares represents a time that this roof was replaced without going all the way down to the decking. Now you have to go all the way down to the decking when you're doing a roof. At least we do, if you want to do it the right way, because you have to inspect that decking underneath and make sure that it is not compromised. It has to be nailable, can't be rotted. If it's rotted, we take it out and we replace the decking. So on this one, we're going all the way down to the decking. 5 layers of underlayment. Believe it or not, it takes more time to remove than 1 layer of underlayment. I think it'll actually take us longer to remove the old roof than it will to install the new one. We're still on track to finish today. Just thought it was pretty interesting. I've been in roofing for 12 years, and I see 3 or 4 fairly regularly, but 5, there's only a few times that I've seen it. So wanted to share that little bit of what goes on a job site. You never really know what's underneath the roof until you start tearing it off. But whatever the issue is, we're always able to handle it, keep it moving. So give Under One Roof a call for all of your roofing construction needs. Cheers.